Hello students, today we are going to learn exponent and parts. Now students, you must be wondering why we learn exponent and parts. Actually exponent and parts का पढ़ने का जो मेथड है, जो तरीका है, जो कि यूसेज आती है, वो आती है बड़े बड़े नंबर्स को एक कैलकुलेटिव फॉर्म में लिखने की, और या बहुत छोटे नंबर्स हैं उनको एक कैलकुलेटिव फॉर्म में लिखना। आप उस नंबर को देख के बता सकते हैं कि ये नंबर जो है वो बड़ा है या छोटा है। तो ये एक तरीका होता है बड़े नंबर को लिखना, छोटे नंबर को लिखना, उनकी एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन करना। तो दिस इज बेसिकली एन एक्सपोनेंट एंड पार्ट्स। नाउ लेट अस टेक एन नंबर। स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द मास ऑफ अर्थ। मास ऑफ द अर्थ जहां पे हम लोग रह रहे हैं, दैट इज मास ऑफ द अर्थ। इट इज 5,9700, 000, 000, 00, 00, अगर आपको मैं इतना बड़ा नंबर ऐसे बोलूंगा तो यू मस्ट बी फेसिंग अ डिफिकल्टी टू लिसन एंड अंडरस्टैंड। तो एक मेथड को अप्लाई किया गया कि इसको छोटे से ढंग में कैसे लिखा जाए। तो इसको लिखने का तरीका क्या है, जैसे कि दिस इज वन पेयर, दिस इज सेकेंड पेयर, दिस इज थर्ड, दिस इज फोर्थ, दिस इज फिफ्थ, दिस इज सिक्स्थ, दिस इज सेवेंथ। अब सेवेंथ के बाद दैट मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड 7। तो इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे, दैट इज 5.97 इंटू 10 टू द पावर। 10 टू द पावर कितना हो गया, 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18, 3 7 21। तो यहां पे आएगा 0.1, तो 21 यहां पे आ रहा है, दैट इज 21 यहां पे आ रहा है। तो बेसिकली दिस इज अ फॉर्मेट, ये एक तरीका है, दैट इज 5.97 into 10 to the power 21. This is a method to write a number, a very big number into a small number. तो इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे कि और भी अगर हम कुछ लिखना चाहते हैं, जैसे 10 raised to the power 2, तो 10 raised to the power 2 में क्या हो जाता है, that is this becomes a base and this becomes a exponent or you can say पार्ट्स। अब इसमें क्या होता है बच्चे कि ये वाला को हम बोलते कैसे हैं, दैट इज 10 टू दी पावर 2। इसको हम ऐसे बोलते हैं 10 रेज टू दी पावर 2 या 10 टू दी पावर 2। स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी से दैट अ पावर और एक्सपोनेंट इज नेगेटिव, व्हेन वी राइट 10 रेज टू दी पावर -2, तो दिस इज अ negative exponent. Now I'll try to explain you. For example, if I want to write 10 raised to the power 2, so how will you write 10 raised to the power 2? That means it's basically 10 into 10, which is equal to 100. Now if I want to write 10 raised to the power 1, so that means this is what, 10, and which can be written as 100 divided by 10. If I want to write 10 raised to the power 0, so it means what, that is 1. So basically how it is coming, that is this 10 is coming and 10 divided by 10, which is cancelling out and giving you out as 1. And if I want to write as, let us take here 10 raised to the power -1, so 10 raised to the power -1, that is 1 upon 10 raised to the power 1. And if I want to write 10 raised to the power 2, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, that is 10 divided by 10, which is giving you 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10, which is 1 upon, this is in the form of a plus b, that is 10 raised to the power 2. So this is how the things are being written. If you want to write this negative, so you need to reciprocate in this format. How to write, that is how to write the whole number and decimal number in exponential form. Now let us take an example. Now let us take a number 4275. Now this is a number. Now this place is called 1. This place is called tens. This place is called 100. And this place is called 1000. So how will you write this? So this is written as 4 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Now this is a usual form of writing it. Now you need to write in a exponential form. So how will you write it? That is 4 into 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, that is 3, plus 2 into 10 raised to the power 2, plus 7 into 10 raised to the power 1, plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 0. This is a way of writing the exponential form. Now let us take one more example. Example, that is 4275.32. Now up till now the things are clear, but this has been added. So this position is known as 10th. This is known as 10th, and this position is known as 100th. 100. So this is a 100th position, and this is as it is written. You have to write this, but the things which will be included, that means you need to write it as, that is 4 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. And for this you have to write as 3 into 1 upon 10 plus into 1 upon 100. So this is the way that you are supposed to write. But if you want to write in an exponential form, how will you write it? That means 4 into 10 to the power, how many zeros are there? 3. 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 we have to write, that means 0, plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is the way that you are supposed to write it. The two numbers I have written, that is a whole number and a decimal number. This is a expansion form for a decimal number, and this is a expansion for a whole number. Now students, we need to verify the laws of exponent and parts. Now let us take how will you verify? Now let us take an example, 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 3, or you can say 2 raised to the power minus 3, which can be written as 1 upon 2 root 3, and 2 raised to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. Now if I multiply this and this, so that means 2 raised to the power minus 3 into 2 raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power minus 2 will be equal to, now what is the outcome of this? This was the outcome, that is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into, and what was the outcome of this? So that is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. So this becomes what? That means this becomes LHS and this becomes an RHS. Now if their answers are same, so that means the laws of exponents are same, or you can say that they are verified. Now what is the answer? Now it is in the form of a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So that means when bases are same, so you can write 2 minus 3 plus minus 2. This is the thing. And what you can write here, now in the same way the bases are same, so you can write what, that is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2. Now if I simplify this, so this becomes 2 raised to the power, now plus minus changes to minus, and here it becomes 1 raised to the power 2, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Now if I simplify this, so 2 raised to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 raised to the power. Now if I want to put it in a positive way, so it will become what, 1 upon 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 1 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 5. Now these are equal, verifying the properties of exponents. So what are the different properties? The first property says that a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n will be equal to a raised to the power m plus n. If bases are same, their powers are added. The first thing comes like this way. The second thing, a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. So this is the second property. So the third thing, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power mn. And the fourth thing, a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. When powers are same and bases are different, so this will be written as a into b raised to the power m. Now the fifth says that a raised to the power m and b raised to the power m, when the bases are different and their powers are same, so this can be written as a upon b raised to the power m. And the sixth thing is a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So these are the few properties, or you can say identities of exponent and powers. Am I clear? Just please note it down.